Amanda, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because I usually get my GLITZGLAMBOX really early in the month, but it's a $15 monthly box. But so is ALLURE. And ALLURE was actually surprisingly on time for once. I normally get it really late. And it's been a while since I've actually done a dedicated video to ALLURE. I figured for June, let's change it up a bit and do a battle of the boxes. Even though that both of these boxes are only $15, that adds up to $30, and they're always on the chopping block. Not because they're bad, but I just get so many others that I get a little bit more bang out of my buck. ALLURE usually only has a couple of full-size items, mainly deluxe size items, and then GLITZGLAM has a lot of indie brands, which isn't bad. I've been loving learning more indie brands, and I was getting them at first to get lashes, but I have since started LashyBox, so I definitely look out for the spoilers before both of these were new, but overall I do enjoy them. I will link both playlists of ALLURE and GLITZGLAM to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get battling. Let's start off with ALLURE, and I see Pure Lease right off the bat. This has to be a full size, being 3.4 fluid ounces. It's the Watermelon and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. I had no idea this was even a product. I do enjoy Pure Lease a lot. The Blue Lotus line is my absolute favorite. This gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, and purifies and energizes, and it's for all skin types. It retails for $18. That seems pretty affordable for Pure Lease because I have one of their moisturizers that a full size retails for $45. I'm just gonna put some on my hand, get an idea. We have like that gray color for charcoal, even though I was hoping for pink for watermelon. I don't really see any specks of charcoal in here. It's a light gel formula, but it smells like watermelons, like the watermelon Jolly Ranchers. Of course, this is without water. That's why it's not lathering up, but it's very light on the hand, which is nice because some cleansers can actually really downweigh my face and it ends up clogging up my pores instead of extracting out of the pores. So this feels really nice. I look forward to trying it. Probably will put it to the test to see how well this helps remove makeup because normally I use an oil-based cleanser as opposed to a gel, which this is, so we'll have to put it to the test and see. But this product right here, it's $3 more than what you pay for the box, and you can look at everything else being for free. That's how I like to look at my boxes to see what kind of value I am getting. Ooh, what's this? This is La Roche-Posay Active C10. What is this? It says vitamin C on it, and I actually had a small BB-8 fridge that I actually put in my master bathroom, put all my vitamin C products that would at least fit in it. It's about the same size as a skincare fridge, so I'm very excited because vitamin C does degrade very rapidly if it's not stored properly. I try to use up my vitamin C products on the recommended shelf life, just because if you go past it, you might not be getting the full benefits from vitamin C because it is degrading. Preferably you want to store vitamin C products in a cool, dark place. Up until using this fridge as a skincare fridge, I was storing it in drawers or cabinets, and also storing vitamin C products in a fridge can also help slow down the degradation of that ingredient. It can maybe extend it up for a couple more weeks to a month, maybe months, I don't know. Did not conduct the stability testing of these products, so I can't really say how many extra months you might be able to get. So a full size of it retails for $49.99. That is expensive. It's a brand I don't really reach for either. All the products I have received have been in subscription boxes. It's a tiny little tube. There's something so satisfying about skincare in tubes you pierce open. They remind me of prescription ointments that I used for sensitive skin growing up. To this day, anytime my olive skin is irritated, hey, that's me. Whether it's sensitivities or pimples, I wind up with dark spots. Ooh, yeah. Can relate. And as I've gotten older, they take longer to fade. So I use brightening treatments, like this one, with ascorbic acid, aka vitamin C. I use a dime-sized amount all over after I tone and give the hyperpigmentation on my nose and cheeks extra love. This cream absorbs quickly, and unlike some other vitamin C treatments, it doesn't sting. I don't think I have experienced stinging with vitamin C products. It also hydrates with hyaluronic acid and soothes with vitamin E. In just a few weeks, it's helped to fade my dark spots and brighten my overall complexion. So I don't really have any dark spots at the moment, and it's because I haven't had really bad breakouts lately. That is the one pro about being quarantined, is that my skin has definitely cleared up a bit. So I'm going to store this right away in the skincare fridge and bring it out when I do have some acne, because I am notorious notorious to be picking at a pimple until it goes away. I told Griffin, I told Catherine, don't pick, don't pick. I'm the worst hypocrite when it comes to that. So I hope that this will be able to help when I do run into those issues, especially being 50 bucks. I would hope so. But the Derma E Scar Cream is a really good, more affordable option as opposed to something like this. I haven't tried this yet, so I can't really say how it compares. Okay, looks like we have something by the brand Yenza. This is the Super 8 lip oil. I have not really used many lip oils. I'm assuming this is a full size that retails for $28. I think this is the second product I've tried by Yenza. The first one being an illuminating primer that I got at IPSY. It wasn't bad. It just made my face look a little too greasy, oily for my liking, but it really did work well with foundations. I think it's something I'll need to mix as opposed to applying directly to the face and then going in with foundation. But a lip oil, that is different for me. Okay, it's a really nice color. Nice for the summer, nice bright and pink. Swatch and see. Okay, so it's like a very sheer, almost like gloss, it seems like. Okay, I hope it's not sticky. I was hoping that it would be a little bit more pigmented. It's definitely a lot more muted on the swatch, so it's something I will have to try on my lips and see how it works. I just hope it's not sticky. I really hate sticky lip products. It is a huge pet peeve of mine. I love Belief. Look how cute this is. This is the Belief, the True Cream Aqua Bomb. The Aqua Bomb. It's almost like a dupe for me for the Tatcha water cream, but this is half the cost of the Tatcha water cream. And this is the aloe vera one. I did know that this came out because Catherine tagged me in it. She was like, are you getting this? And I'm like, I have a full size. I have like half of it left, and I've been getting a lot of moisturizers lately, so I didn't really need to go out of my way to purchase this. So I'm excited that I have a sample because she is very curious about this. I do enjoy products with aloe vera in it because it's super calming to the face, and I know that it helps me with my skin sensitivity. Anytime my face starts acting up, I definitely look towards aloe vera products, and of course it's also a really good ingredient if you do get sunburn. I've also heard having an aloe vera plant is supposed to help you sleep better at night. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried that. That is something I'm curious about. When it comes to my hair, I've been slicing open an aloe vera leaf to reveal its slimy goodness as a step in my wash day routine. What? That is like a life hack or something. I need to try that. Maybe that will help the mane. And I use the blended pulp as a soothing pre-shampoo treatment to nourish my itchy scalp. My scalp has been super sensitive lately. I don't know why. I'm about to go buy an aloe plant right now. But smoothing the gooey gel on my face, which also tends to be dry, is not as appealing. Yeah, no. For your hair, sure, I hear you, girl. Instead, I turned to Belief's new Aqua Bomb aloe vera formula, an update on the brand's super popular Aqua Bomb gel cream. It is so good. When I was having really bad oiliness during the summer last year, I took the Sephora quiz, and the two options that it gave me were the Belief Aqua Bomb and the Tatcha water cream. And I was already a huge fan of the Tatcha water cream. I wanted to try something new because it was a lot cheaper, and I have fallen in love with that product ever since. I apply it right after my serums, but before sunscreen, and my skin is instantly dewy. When I'm staying in for the day, I like to add an extra layer for a brief at-home facial. And a full size of this retails for $38. I am definitely very curious for this. I'm so excited. I have tried a handful of products from Belief, and I haven't been disappointed yet. So I definitely have high hopes for this, and I hope it works out really nice. I think I'm gonna hold off on trying it until I get maybe a little bit more oily. Product that I probably will not use. These are the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette, and it retails for $9. I'm so bad when it comes to my nails. I definitely need to paint them more often, and it's just something that I have just been lacking. And something like this, it would probably just sit around and collect dust, so I am gonna either set it aside for a friend to use or a giveaway. Let's read about it. When I was a beauty intern making $0, I would do an at-home manicure once a week. See, I need to get on her level. I got really good at applying nail stickers, and Dashing Diva was one of the first brands I tried. The gloss gel strips have a lot of shine and long-lasting designs, and they're easy to apply. Just clean your nails with alcohol, then match a strip size to each nail. Stick it on cuticle side first, smooth out the bubbles, and file off the excess. At a glance, a coworker even assumed I'd gotten my nails done at a trendy New York City salon. I feel like Allure has included a sheet mask of some sort in each box lately, which is nice because I can always use more sheet masks. I just find it very interesting. This is the Star Skin 100% Camellia Nourishing and Brightening 2-Step Oil Sheet Mask. I don't think I've used an oil sheet mask before, and it retails for $10. Sometimes it feels like every sheet mask is the same. Kind of. Some of them do feel more soothing than others, and then some do feel a little bit more tightening or firming than others. They are all soaked in serum and easy to wear around the house. Not for me, I feel like I'm always afraid that it's gonna fall off, so I like to lay in bed and read when I have one on. But the Starskin mask features one big difference. It comes with a vial of pure camellia seed oil to boost its hydrating effects. I need that. The oil is naturally packed with fatty acids, which help plump up even super dry skin. That's me. First, you apply the oil all over your face, and then you put on the sheet mask. The two-step treatment will leave your skin with a pretty gleam, but I like to use the duo right before bed for softer skin the next day. And I use the extra oil as a moisturizer in the morning. I have tried this brand before. I have received a couple of their masks in BOXYCHARM before. They weren't bad. This brand is a little bit on the more pricier side, like this is $10, but it is a two-step treatment, so I do have a little bit more expectations from it. It's supposed to be super hydrating. I will be the judge of that. So I don't think Allure was bad. It definitely has a couple products that caught my attention. The Pure Lease, Belief, and this mask. But other than that, I think like everything else is more of a bonus. Like the lip oil and the vitamin C treatment, I'm just like, okay, that's nice to receive, but it's nothing that I'm going completely crazy over. All right, let's move on to Glitz Glam. Ooh, right off the bat, lashes. That's something about Glitz Glam that you will get. You usually get a pair of lashes and a glitter, and these lashes are absolutely stunning. They are by the brand GLITZGLAMBOX, and I suppose this is the style Never Basic Lashes, and this retails for $12. For me, these lashes are in between a natural and a dramatic look, and I could definitely use it for a more natural or a bold look like how I have on today. Either way, these lashes are going to get so much use and love. I never thought I would be this excited over lashes, and now I can't go a look without putting lashes on. And then we got a glitter. Oh, this is very pretty with the blue and silver. Actually, it reminds me of UNC. Gross. But lately I have not been having a really good experience with glitter. Nothing against Glitz Glam or their brand. It's just I got some glitter in my eye, and it did something in the inner portion of my left eye near my tear duct. It was during my review of the ColourPop Mulan collection. I was very stoked for that glitter. I just thought it was absolutely stunning, and it backfired. So I've just been a little bit weary on glitters lately, so I'm gonna set it aside. And the glitter is also by GLITZGLAMBOX, and it retails for $5. We have this Hikari matte liquid lipstick. It retails for $15. So essentially you can look at, you paid for this and everything else was for free. Oh, it's a matte lip gloss. This is matte lip gloss and the card says matte liquid lipstick. I honestly didn't know glosses could be matte, but okay, Hikari. I love this shade. This is Rouge. Oh, I love my deep purples, vampy shades I live for, as you can tell. Oh, that is stunning. It's so opaque and it doesn't feel sticky. It's like a part of me does want to put it on my lips right now, but this pulls a little bit more purple where this pulls a little bit more red. I don't want to soil it, but oh my gosh, I am obsessed. Hikari is a brand I haven't personally purchased from. I've received all their products from IPSY. I don't know if BOXYCHARM has featured them, and I also got something from them in single swag, and everything that I've used has been pretty decent quality. I'm very excited to give this gloss a whirl. I'm not sure if there was a variation in shades with the gloss or the glitter. Let me know in the comments below which ones you got. And then the last product I'm super excited for because I'm just a sucker for eyeshadow. We have the Be a Queen Bombshell palette, and it retails for $28. It's another brand that I have received a lot of products in IPSY before. Everything I've used I've really liked, so I'm very excited to see this palette. Oh, and she is gorgeous. This is a really cool color story. It's a lot more cooler than something I would typically reach for, but I am loving these shades right here. It's very bright, but also like almost like grungy in a way. So it's like the best of both worlds for me. And it wouldn't be one of my unboxings if we didn't do swatchies. This is the top row. Oh, those shimmers are gorgeous. The first shade you can barely see on me. It blends in with my skin tone, but it would be a really nice shade to either clean up a look or set your eyeshadow primer base if that's something you like to do. Second row. Oh, this palette is really gorgeous. Everything is swatching super nice. Both the mattes and the shimmers are creamy, pigment all the way through. I can't wait to try this on my eyes. And we're only halfway through this palette. Third row. Oh, that pink is not messing around. Oh, I'm obsessed. Bottom row. And this is the entire palette swatched. I think that the shimmer shades are my absolute favorite. They are going to be beautiful pops on the lids, and I feel like they're going to work out super nice with the mattes. I can see myself wanting to make like grungy looks with a pop of this blue or the pink. They don't have names. That is one gripe that I have with the palette, but it's not the end of the world. I just like the shade names because they either make me chuckle and it's just easier to refer to. Based off these swatches, I hope it translates well when I dip my brush into the pans and blend out on the eyes when I have an eyeshadow base, because this is my bare arm and I'm using my fingers to dip into the pans and swipe down. So overall, I think I liked GLITZGLAMBOX a little bit more. It had some products up my alley. I can't go wrong with lashes anymore these days. This Hikari matte lip gloss or matte lipstick, whichever it may be, is absolutely stunning. And this palette just had a very unique color story. It's swatched really nice. I can't wait to play with it on the eyes. Something that I was thinking of when I was doing swatches. Allure has been very skincare heavy lately, which isn't bad. I love my skincare, don't get me wrong. But I think where some people have lost interest is that we only got one makeup item in it for this month. I can't speak for everyone. I can speak for myself and the people I've had conversations with that also get Allure. We kind of miss the makeup. So while it is nice to receive some skincare, I think it needs to balance out a little bit more with skincare and makeup as opposed to being very skincare heavy. Last month was also very skincare heavy. I didn't get April's because they messed up on my billing. March had a decent balance. March is also when I rejoined the Allure fam because I did cancel for January and February. Clearly it didn't last that long. I did see the spoilers for July, so I'm very excited for that. And depending on the August spoilers, we'll see if Allure makes it to see another month. I would love to know if you guys get either GLITZGLAM or Allure Beauty Box, and if you get both like I do, which one did you like more? Did you like getting more makeup in GLITZGLAM, or would you prefer to get more skincare like in Allure? And if you get either boxes, which was your favorite product and how did everything work out for you? And are you guys looking forward to July's boxes? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.